welcome to this brand new series on trigonometry. So I've been taking in these videos we'll be talking about trigonometry. So I'll prepare them into a series of about 30 videos to solve trigonometry by solving them into different sections. So in this first part of the video, we're going to be talking about introduction into trigonometry, and again talking about the 6 trigonometric functions, okay, and we're going to derive their formulas. So to begin with, first of all, what is trigonometry? And as you can see on the screen, trigonometry is defined as the branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between sides and the angle of a triangle. Okay, so from the name trigonometry, very obvious that we're talking about triangles. Now, what are the 6 trigonometric functions? We have a trigon which I'm highly used, which we have sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, and we have the opposite of each of these triangle, that is the reciprocal of each of these trigonometric functions. For sine, we have cosecant. For cosine, we have secant. And for tangent, we have cotangent. Okay, now here as you can see, we have a triangle here, and we have this angle here, theta. Okay, so now how do we get the formula of sine theta? Now sine theta is given by the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Okay, so sine theta, abbreviated h, let me abbreviate it as h, and let me abbreviate the opposite side as o, divided by the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the triangle. This is for sine. Now, what about cos? Cos, we abbreviate it as c, is given by the adjacent side, which is the side closer to this angle theta here, divided by the longest side, the hypotenuse. Okay? And tangent, which you can abbreviate as c, is given by sine divided by cos, and this is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse times hypotenuse divided by adjacent. And again, excuse me, here we're supposed to have c is equals to a on h. Thank you. Okay, now from here, this h and this h will cancel down, so t will be equal to o divided by a. Now this is the formula for tan, cos, and sine respectively. Now, however, there is a shorthand for you to memorize all these formulas. And notice something. Sine, from sine here we get so, sine opposite of a hypotenuse we get so, here CAH we get ka, and here TOA we get tor. So generally, to easily remember the formula of sine, to easily remember the formula of these 3 trigonometric functions, we usually have this abbreviation here, so, ka, tua. Okay, so whenever you forget the formula, try to remember this word, so, ka, tua. And the best way to also remember the formula is by using it constantly. So in the next few videos, we're going to be seeing most of the applications, and we'll have the chance of applying them so that you can get them and become familiar with them. Now, let's now head to the inverse. Now, I said cosecant is a reciprocal of sine, so it's 1 all over sine, so it's going to be equal to hypotenuse divided by the opposite, and for secant we can give it a sec equal to 1 divided by cos. It's going to be 1. It's going to be equals to the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side. And for cot, which is short of cotangent, is equal to 1 divided by tan, which is equal to adjacent divided by opposite. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one.